Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Today our topic is synchondrosis. Why we are studying this topic? Because in orthodontics we are going to study the growth pattern. So for studying the growth pattern, synchondrosis is very important. What is synchondrosis? It is a type of cartilaginous joints where hyaline cartilage completely join together two bones called synchondrosis. That means if this is the bone and this is the bone, and in between there is a hyaline cartilage present, and this hyaline cartilage is allowing the two bones to join together. This is known as synchondrosis. And in symphysis, the joint takes place with the fibers, fibro joints, fiber joints takes place. So this is symphysis. So don't confuse in synchondrosis and symphysis. These joints are important site of cranial base. The synchondrosis, these joints are very important in the cranial base because in cranial skull, in our skull, the most joints are synchondrosis. Spino-occipital, sphenoethmoid, intersphenoid and intra-occipital. These both are occipital, that is spheno-occipital and intra-occipital, sphenoethmoid and intersphenoid. You can learn this as occipital and sphenoid. Sphenoethmoid, intersphenoid. Now we are going to see this in detail manner. Chondrosis. This one is the first one which we are going to learn. This is a cartilaginous junction, as I have told you. In synchondrosis, cartilage, hyaline cartilage joined between the sphenoid and occipital bone. Sphenoid and occipital bone, cartilaginous junction is there. At 12 to 15 years of age, it active. The activity is carried out from 12 years to 15 years and it gets fused. The spheno-occipital synchondrosis takes place at the age of 20 years of age. The fusion takes place at the age of 20 years of age. This is the principal growth of cartilage of cranial base during childhood. During childhood, this is the cranial base growth. So this is considered as a principle. And the structure here is two epiphysis plate. That means two epiphysis plate are positioned back to back and separated by a common zone of reserve cartilage. Two epiphyseal plate is positioned back to back and is separated by a reserve cartilage, a zone of reserve cartilage. The upward growth takes place in spheno-occipital synchondrosis. Which type of growth? The upward growth takes place here, and it causes the anterior part of the cranium bodily move forward. That is, the anterior part is going to move forward like this. So this was the spheno-occipital synchondrosis. Which we are going to study is the sphenoethmoid synchondrosis. It is also a cartilaginous band between the sphenoid and ethmoid. The name says that between the sphenoid and ethmoid bone. At 5 to 25 years of age, it gets ossified. When it gets ossified at 5 years to 25 years. But exactly it is not known. And the third one is inter. Inter means the band is between the two sphenoid bone. It ossifies at birth. Fourth one is intra-occipital synchondrosis. The band is between the two occipital sides or two occipitals bone. It ossifies by 3 to 5 years of age. When it get ossified at the age of 3 to 5 years. The first one was spino-occipital. It was active at 12 to 15 and fused at 20 years of age. Then SE spino-ethmoid to 5 to 25. IS is at birth and IO is 3 to 5 years of age. So this was about the synchondrosis. Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.